In the shadow of a Cold War, two superpowers stood on the brink of an unprecedented battle, not for land, not for resources, but for the final frontier, space. Welcome to the thrilling saga of the space race. This is a story of ambition, innovation, and rivalry. A tale that would take humanity from the confines of Earth to the vastness of the cosmos. Buckle up, because what lies ahead is a journey filled with suspense, danger, and groundbreaking achievements. The spark of competition. The year is 1945. The world is reeling from the devastation of World War II, and two superpowers emerge, the United States and the Soviet Union. But as the dust settles, a new battleground begins to take shape, space. 1947, the beginning of the Cold War. In 1947, the Cold War ignites, and with it, a fierce competition for technological supremacy. The stakes: national pride, military advantage, and the very future of civilization. In the US, scientists like Wernher von Braun are hard at work, dreaming of rockets that could break free from Earth's grasp. Meanwhile, in the Soviet Union, engineers are secretly developing their own ambitious plans. Little do they know, the race is about to get serious. The launch of Sputnik. October 4, 1957. The world holds its breath as the Soviet Union launches Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite. A beeping metal sphere orbits Earth, sending shockwaves through the US and beyond. Sputnik 1, the first man-made object in space. With this monumental achievement, the Soviets claim the first victory in the space race. Panic ensues in America. How could this happen? Were we falling behind in technology and science? The launch of Sputnik ignites a sense of urgency. Schools introduce Sputnik education, and the US government establishes NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, to reclaim its position in the race. The race heats up. As the 1960s dawn, the competition intensifies. The US launches Explorer 1, its first successful satellite, and begins to focus on putting a man into space. But the stakes are about to get even higher. 1961, Yuri Gagarin, first human in space, April 12, 1961. The Soviet Union sends Yuri Gagarin into orbit, making him the first human to travel into space. The world is captivated, and the US is left reeling once again. Gagarin's success is not just a triumph for the Soviets, it's a wake-up call for America. President John F. Kennedy makes a bold proclamation: we choose to go to the moon. The moon landing. The race now shifts to an unprecedented goal: landing on the moon. NASA's Apollo program is launched with ambitious plans, but the challenges are monumental. Can they overcome the technical hurdles and political pressure? 1969, Apollo 11, the historic mission, July 20, 1969. Millions around the globe hold their breath as Apollo 11 prepares for its descent. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin are about to make history. Will they succeed, or will this mission end in disaster? The Eagle has landed. Armstrong's voice crackles through the radio, and the world erupts in celebration. A moment that transcends borders, a testament to human ingenuity and courage. The aftermath and legacy. The moon landing marks the pinnacle of the space race, but it's only the beginning. The technological advancements born from this competition lead to innovations in science, medicine, and telecommunications. The space race, a legacy of innovation. But the space race also teaches us valuable lessons about cooperation and the importance of exploration. What began as a fierce rivalry has transformed into international collaboration, with missions to Mars and beyond. The space race was more than just a competition. It was a defining moment in human history. It pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible and united us in our quest for knowledge. As we look to the stars, we must ask ourselves, what new frontiers await us? What will be our next great adventure? Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through the space race. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more captivating stories from the Infotix Hub. The universe is vast, and our exploration has just begun.